Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background noise of a video in Inshot. So in here, what you need to do is add the video that you want to edit. Click on the video options and click on new. Choose the video that you want to remove its background noise. For example, I'm going to choose this video right here. Click on enter, and this is the video. And to easily remove the background noise, you can just swipe through the toolbar in here, click on the volume button, and just lower down the volume. Or you can also click on the denoise options in here, then click on the check icon, and after that your background noise will be removed from the video. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.